not here. Here's some quick prep tips brought to you by JMP Cycles. If you're gonna be redoing the handlebars on your motorcycle, a few things you wanna have before you start. I always recommend is this weird crimping tool because that's half of what Harley has. You don't need a proprietary Harley one. It's cost too much. Just want to get the job done. Just be careful and go slow. Good small pick. A good small flathead screwdriver. Motorcycle always needs zip ties because you always need zip ties on a motorcycle. Some decent wire strippers. Some decent time and patience. A nice flat surface. Somewhere to sit. Good music. Don't rush it. It takes a moment. Not that hard. Takes some time. So if you're thinking about doing some wiring on your motorcycle, don't forget to go to JP Cycles, pick up your parts. They'll take care of you. These are some good prep tips. Make sure you have these on hand because it's always easier when you're ready to get into it. Otherwise, you really turn into me and you hate your life because everything's falling apart and you didn't think about it beforehand. This is why I'm making these prep tips. I'm making these prep tips because I needed them. Hope you enjoy this. Thank you, JP Cycles. See you in the next video.